Good morning, everyone. It's Katrina from the Alluring Bead Boutique. So to start with, I want to first of all tell you guys it's been a really big, busy summer. I've kept my little grandson 3 separate times a week at a time. It was just totally awesome. I don't regret it at all. It just kept me kind of busy and a little bit away from YouTube. But the blog, however, has been really, really busy. I've been doing a lot of work on there, so you guys need to just head over there and check out some of the stuff. But first up, I want to talk about a new approach I'm taking to bead weaving stitches. And I'm calling it, like, the series is called Bead Weaving 101. And I begin the series by reviewing a book, the 2019 bead stitching guide that I purchased recently. And I did a nice little book review over there. I'll throw a link up for you guys here and down in the description box below. You could go over there and check that out. And that's kind of like an introduction to where I'm going with the Bead Weaving 101. We've got a lot of posts already on there about, like threads and needles, things like that. I can't review the entire book with you, obviously, because it is, copywritten material. But anyhow, what I'm doing is going through and picking out certain little things that I'm learning along the way about, the basic bead weaving stitches, and I'm sharing it with you guys. And I'm trying to work up some projects, and I'm making it really like a very beginner series. So that's one thing. Also, over the summer, I had been working extremely hard on a series for how to start your own jewelry business. And it is loaded and jam-packed with information. I mean, it starts at the very beginning from defining yourself and your business, what a brand is, what a business plan is, all the way up to how to, working into building your own business website as opposed to just trying to sell on Etsy and other places, which I do sell my patterns on Etsy, and I sell my jewelry on Amazon.com, but I also sell everything on my website, the shop.alluringbeadboutique.com, in my own shop. And basically, just explain throughout the whole series why it's a good idea to have your own presence on the internet, how it helps you to get exposure, and it's really been working out great for me. My blog is turning out to be really successful this year, and I talk a lot in this series on how to start your own jewelry business about how things have really turned around for me this year and how much exposure I'm getting and how much traffic I'm getting. And it's just been a really, really big change for me. Plus, all the time I've had to devote to the blog, which if you guys have been knowing the Alluring Bead Boutique for the last 3 years, you'll know that the first 2 years I was floundering around and wasn't accomplishing any of my personal goals. And this year's has been really, really different. So just in case you're wondering where I'm at most of the time, I'm over there on the blog. And there is a lot of project tutorials there. There is a lot of free information there. And it just goes on and on. So those are the two main things I worked on over this the summer, was that particular series. And I'm also writing up a free little ebook I'm going to be giving away that walks you through step by step. It's got checklists and things like that. And I'm nearly finished. I have one last article to add where I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it in video form that shows you actually how to set up themes and plugins and stuff. But go over there and check out that series. I think you'll find a lot of useful information there. So now, having said all that, working in the Bead Weaving 101, the first stitch I tackled in the series is Peyote. And so far, I've worked up several posts. Not all of them are published yet, but I'll put a link to the main page of that for you. And we started out with flat Peyote. And in the next video that I do, which I'll be working on today, I'm going to teach you guys a little bit about how to create some added shape and texture in Peyote. And we'll be working on some of that today. I just really wanted to quickly touch base with you guys and let you know what's been going on, where you can find all the information, and everything that I do now is mainly geared towards the blog site. So you guys need to head over there and make sure you subscribe to the BMAT newsletter, and also put your email address in the follow my blog box. So there's a forms right there on the sidebar on the right hand side of the web page. Where you can sign up for the newsletter and also follow the blog, because if you follow the blog, you will get an email notification every time there's new stuff posted, which is, pretty much a whole lot more than you would imagine. All right, guys, so that's it for now. I'm going to go ahead and jump off here, and I'm going to get started on making a video that shows you how to create this cute little ruffled edge of peyote strip. I'll be making 2 of these going forward because I'm working on a really nice bracelet cuff project. And if you're interested in checking that out, make sure that you stay tuned here, subscribe on YouTube, head over to my blog, and make sure you fill out those forms. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and have a great day.